Okay guys, so with Naviance, I'm going to show you how to log in and check your students' progress. So when you first click on your Naviance, you see a screen like this. You can just go to the login here, then the sign in with the Naviance ID. Oops. 1 minute. I don't know how to sign out. Okay, and then you will put in your username or your school email and password that you set up.
I could spell my own name.
Okay, you log in, you will see this screen. You can go over to the left to the blue Naviance curriculum. You will scroll down till you see your own name CCR. So we're in Amy's CCR class right now. You'll see your roster, and then you can click on progress, and it'll show you the green checks mean the students completed that assigned lesson. If you see a student, for example, this one is 4 or 3 lessons in now, you might want to click through his progress and just see if there's anything you want to talk to him about. So he's talking about how he wants to be a chef, so we can have a conversation with him about that, what schools maybe offer that kind of thing, to have him slow down a little bit and think rather than just clicking through and being like a superficial thing. I'm just going to go back. So again, that's the progress. Shows you what they've gotten done. And you might need to click on 2 if your roster is longer to see the rest of your students. And the activity shows you how many times they've logged in. Plans are starting to be created for them based on some of their responses in Naviance. And finally, the other thing I thought might be helpful is view all lesson plans. This tells you what each lesson plan, so Amy's grade 9, so I'm going to grade 9. This tells you a little bit about each lesson plan. So you could look, you're like, oh, that one sounds interesting. I want to talk to my kids this week about this 3rd lesson. And it gives you some conversation and additional activities to work with them on. So you can read about each of these lessons and you can preview them from the student point of view as well. Hopefully that helps give a little more guidance with Naviance again and to review how to access their progress.